My face, you think?
Alin, see you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Ito pong kusina. Sobrang pagod namin ngayon. Sobra as in. Kasi lahat ng nilinisan namin, binuhusan namin ng tubig.
Ano daw mo? Kamusta? Sampalin kita. Bahag kita.
Ano po? Saka hindi pa tapos sa second floor, hindi pa tapos. Second floor?
Tapos na siya.
Wala mo kalas. Not finished. We are tired today. Just give money.
Money. I need just money.
What do you want to say about this? Hi.
That is hard.
Wasik.
Ani, kasi bagay matag na bilin. Is all good?
Should we?
Welcome to it.
What did you say about this? Lian,
This one.
see the salad?
Magjan.
It's like a maksan.
Where are you? Come fast. Clean.
Ganda, ikaw na naman maglinis dito.
Ganda.
You're the one to clean here tomorrow when you come. Because
Fast.
me and Kali is finish up.
Yeah, we clean one room, right?
Yeah.